This week we have been counting groups of tens, ones, and even groups of 5 when we counted tally marks. Today we're going to do something a little different. Instead of counting the groups and finding the number of how many, we are going to look at the number and create the groups. We are going to be the ones drawing today. So you will need to have your whiteboard or your tens and ones chart. You can look at the screen to see what the tens and ones chart looks like. And this chart, whether it's in a page protector or it's laminated, you can use an Expo marker on it. So if you don't have your tens and ones chart, you can use a regular whiteboard. But you're going to need a tens and ones chart, a whiteboard marker, and an eraser for this activity. Now I want you to look here at this tens and ones chart. You can see that I have drawn a 10. When we use base 10 blocks, the 10 rod looks like a line. That's why we draw our tens like a line, because when you use the base 10 blocks, the group of 10 looks like a line. The ones are a little cube. So instead of drawing the cube, we draw a square to show the ones. So I put these up here at the top on the tens and ones chart just to help you remember that we're going to use the lines for the tens and the square for the ones. All right, let's check out the caterpillars that we've been working with all week. So let's start with our red caterpillar. Ooh, his number is 46. So let's go back over here and we are going to draw the number 46. So how many tens are in 46? If it helps you, you can write the number 46. Okay, so now I know I need to draw 4 tens. And remember, the tens are lines. So I'm going to draw 4 tens. And then I'm going to draw my ones. That's going to be 6 ones. So I have to draw my squares for the 6 ones. So you can be doing this on your tens and ones chart. All right, when you're done, look up here. Does yours look like mine? Do you have 4 tens and 6 ones? I hope so, because that's how you draw 46. All right, let's put our erasure boards and we'll put our red back and let's look at what number's on our orange caterpillar. Oh, he's 41. So I'm going to come back over here. This time I'm going to use my orange marker. And let's write the numbers up here to help us. 41. All right. Remember how we draw tens? We draw them with lines. How many lines do we need to draw? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, how many ones do I need? 1. So I need to draw 1, 1. And remember, the ones are squares. Now, I've just drawn the number 41. All right, look up here. Does your board look like mine? I hope so. All right, let's see what number we're going to do next. Let's do yellow. Yellow is 36. What's the first thing I need to do? I need to write the numbers so I know how many tens and how many ones. So I'm going to write 36. Okay, go ahead and draw your tens. Did you draw 3? Okay, your 10 should look like mine. Now, how many ones do we need? 6. Go ahead and draw your 6 ones. All right, does your board look like mine? That's how we draw the number 36. Okay, so we've had lots of practice now. I want you to do it. Okay, so let's put our yellow back, and we're going to do the green, 43. Okay, let's see if you can draw 43. So what I want you to do is pause this video and try drawing 43 yourself. Once you have drawn 43, you can push play. All right, is this what your tens and ones chart look like? Did you remember to write the numbers here at the top to help you out? Did you draw 4 tens that look like this and 3 ones? I hope so. All right, let's clear our boards and move to our next one. Our next one is blue. It's 50. Look at what's special about this number. There's 0 ones, so please make sure that you don't put anything in the ones part of our chart. Go ahead and draw 50 on your tens and ones chart. Pause the video while you draw, and when you're finished, push play and see if you got it right. Did you get it right? Okay, now here's something very important to remember. When we're drawing tens, they do look a lot like tally marks. But when we're drawing groups of 10, we never cross them. Remember, tally marks, when we cross them, are groups of 5. It's 2 completely different things. So make sure that you did not cross this. You should have 5 lines going down to represent 5 groups of 10. And there should be 0 over here. That's how we do 50. Okay, we have 2 more. Let's do purple next. 23. All right, pause the video. All right, are you ready to check? Did you do 23? Let's take a peek. I hope your board looks like mine. All right, it's time to erase our board because we have our very last one. This one is our pink one, and it is 32. Okay, pause the video and push play when you're ready. So our last number today was the number 32. Let's see if you got it right. This is what your board should look like. So this is really important for us to know how to draw 2-digit numbers, because next week we are going to start comparing 2-digit numbers. And we'll start off using our manipulatives, but then we're going to move very quickly into comparing the 2-digit numbers without manipulatives. And one key is going to be for you to be able to draw it. Okay, so now for math groups, if you are learning at home, I want you to go ahead and go into Math Seeds and finish the lesson for this week. If you already finished your lesson for this week, you have completed math for today. If you have extra time, you can practice some more by working on your Path and Math Seeds. My learners who are learning at school today, I would like for you to listen. Ms. Altonen has a very special activity for you to work on at school today.